everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Riya Sharma, and in this video I'm gonna propose a great idea with you guys. So let's start this video, okay, without wasting your time. You know what? The idea is that speak smooth, not fast. Don't rush through your words. So what this mean? What I really want to tell you. So suppose I'm giving you example. Suppose I'm speaking like this. Hello everyone, I am Riya Sharma, and in this video we are going to talk about the fluency, how we can get fluent in English. And the other way of telling the same thing can be, hello everyone, I am Riya Sharma, and in this video we are going to talk about the fluency. Okay, the other way can be like this. And so tell me which one is more fluent and which one attracts more. Obviously the second one attracts more, and that is what I really want to tell you. You know what, when we learn English, like even at our initial time, we think that fluency is just speaking fast. Okay, we don't think that we have to make sense as well. Even though you are speaking fast, but it doesn't mean that you are making sense also while speaking. As I spoke earlier, in a fast way, that was quite rude as well. Okay, and if I would speak like this with anybody, people will not want to talk with me again. People would think that I don't want to talk this girl, because even though she speaks good, she speaks fast, but she doesn't make any sense. Okay, and if I would speak like in a slow motion, like if I won't rush through my words, people will definitely want to talk with me. So please don't rush through your words. Speak smoothly, calmly, and you can make your word attractive. You can make your sentence, your speech, your voice attractive. Take pauses, good pauses, and definitely people would love to hear you. Okay, because I have heard many times people have this thing in their mind that who can speak fast, the only those people can attract anybody by their English. And sometimes I have seen that lots of people imitate Americans. They think that if I would imitate American, so I would definitely impress people, or maybe my English would be very good after imitating those foreigners. So please understand one thing, that you don't need to imitate Americans, because it's their own language. Like, it is the language of Americans or Britishers. Okay, it's not your language. Okay, so please don't rush through your words. Speak smoothly and calmly, and that is how you can impress people. That is how you can build a good fluency. Suppose if you would speak even in a very fast way and you are not making any sense, so what's the matter of speaking? Okay, we use language to convey our thoughts, not for impressing people. Okay, so you should understand this thing. I have seen lots of people, they just show off. Okay, don't mind me, but I have seen few people, they just show off, and just by watching and just by listening those people, we think that we are not that much good. We are making we have to work a lot. Yes, we should work a lot, but not by seeing these things. Okay, we have to work on our vocabulary, we have to work on lots of things, but you have to also understand this thing, that whenever you speak, you should make sense. You should use simple words. The idea is that you should make people understand that what you really want to say. Okay, by using simple words, simple English, because the language is a tool. So please use it as a tool. Don't use your language for show off. When we speak slowly, so we get time to think, okay, what we need to speak next, and that is how you can build your fluency. Because if you want to be fluent, you just need to pace your words out after a certain time lap. Okay, even I've observed in myself as well that whenever I speak slowly, calmly, so I end up speaking a lot, or I end up speaking correct English. So you should do the same thing with yourself. Okay, don't rush through your words, don't show the hurriness in your communication. Speak slowly, calmly, and that is how you can sound impressive, and that is how you can think, you can get more time for speaking after a certain time lap, because it makes language so attractive. Although I have to learn a lot about it, because sometimes I also rush through with my words, I also don't speak calmly, slowly, and I am also a kind of, you can say, beginner into it. I'm also learning. So I hope you like this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.